Hi everybody, David Dilling here on behalf of Markzware. Check this out. A real quick, easy tip for those who own QXPMarkz or want to try it out to automatically open QuarkXPress Documents on your macOS, similar probably applies on Windows once the Windows versions comes out, is you just double click on a Quark file and have it automatically open in InDesign without going through all the bells and whistles and jumping through hoops of fire. So it's really cool. The way you have to do that is first change the file association with that file. So we have a Quark file here, and if I right click on the macOS, I will get then the open with, and I can change what I want to open with there. The problem with that is it's a one-time deal. I want to change it forever. So I go Command I, or if you right click, get info, you get this window over here. Now what I do under open with, I change that here to QXPMarkz, but then I click here, most importantly, change all. You sure? I'm sure. Continue. Now we close this. And now, and by the way, anyone go to markzware.com and download the free preview version can do this as well. You get a preview of your Quark file. The preview is not always representative of the conversion. Some things like tables will preview slightly different in our preview engine, and it will convert much better, luckily. So watch how it works here. So let's move me out of the way for this. Now we're going to just double click this Quark file, and boom, it opens right up in QXPMarkz. We get a nice little file info, and we can scroll through the file and see what it is, get an idea, and then we can export or open in Affinity Publisher or Adobe InDesign. Now we can take it a step further with the automation in QXPMarkz under the preferences. Click Automation, on document open, automatically export IDML relative to input path. And you can even say open in default application, and I can say always open IDML in this case, InDesign 2021. I have 2020, I could choose that, whatever I want to do. And there's a lot more you can do. There's a lot possible in QXPMarkz. It's really cool. So now we close the automation, we close the file. We even quit QXPMarkz. We don't even have InDesign open. We now double click the Quark file. It pops open, gives us a quick little preview, writes the IDML, and now fires up InDesign to open that IDML for you. You don't need to have InDesign to do this. I'm just showing you if you just want to spit out IDML and give it to a colleague or other people in the workflow, it's possible you can do that all without having any source DTP apps on your machine. And there we go. It's popped right open for us. I'm not going to worry about the fonts and all that right now, but there you go. We now have that QuarkXPress file right here on our desktop, now open in InDesign, fully ready for us to get to work on it and make things happen. Now, one last thing, you can even take this a step further in the preferences, and you can even close a document. So you just like close it in QXPMarkz. So the whole process goes, closes QXPMarkz, you're done with that, it's open in InDesign, you can go on with your work, and you have more time for coffee on your next break. There's another test file. Same thing, we double click it, opens QXPMarkz, writes the IDML, and voila, there it is in Adobe InDesign, real fast. So folks, that was a quick tip. Cruising over to markzware.com, check out QXPMarkz. It's a great tool to automatically, in this case, you see how easy it is double click your Quark files on your macOS, and boom, they pop right open for you in QXPMarkz, or even right in InDesign, or even Affinity Publisher. One tip I do have when you're at markzware.com checking out QXPMarkz over here is cruise down to the bottom, click on Contact Us, and click Join Our Mailing List. This is very important because we have a lot of new and exciting products coming out. And you always get the latest version information. So sign up for our mailing list, absolutely free. We look forward to keeping you informed. Alrighty then, have a great day.